I got these Jordan 11s for only 2,000 pesos. And wait, before you think it's fake, it's not. My source, just trust me bro, that's my source. What a time to be a sneakerhead. Now I have 3 of the OGs, different years. So this is the 2018, the 45 pack, the Concords, and I got the OG 96 breads, and now I got the Columbias, the Legend Blue. 2,000 pesos for this is crazy. When these came out, I was kind of negative on these because for the price point, I don't see it. The leather of this isn't that good, and the material overall wasn't good for 11,000 pesos for what it is. But for 2,000 pesos, this is a crazy steal. People weren't probably buying this because of the yellowing right there, but you've all seen what I did with my Concords. Flash it up on the screen right there. There was a big mark on the listing here. It's not here, that big black mark there. The only bad thing about this is that it has a scratch on the patent leather, but I don't care. I'm using this as personals. I don't care about wear and tear on sneakers. It's bound to happen if you wear them, so it doesn't matter to me. So yeah, 2,000 pesos is crazy. Crazy time to be a sneakerhead. The best time.